So I'm recording a lot of these videos in my office for class. Just a quick show you what I do. I usually start out with a PowerPoint slide with the title because it makes it nicer, and then I open up I use Scientific Workplace, and let's just take a when I give my talk, when I give my presentation here, I just look at, grab some of these things. I can type in here live. It can do some calculations. I can give the same basically lecture as I would give in class, except that I'm not writing on the board. Some of these things are live too, like you can graph stuff. But anyway, I won't do that.
This technique doesn't actually.
So this is a clip of the video that I made for integration by parts.
For another integration problem, which is okay.
Then after I'm finished recording, so see, I'm recording this on Camtasia. That looks like this. It gives you an audio track. It gives you an audio and the webcam track, and it gives you the screen track. I can move stuff around. I can put the pieces together, like if I want to put that title there. There. Delete that. You can do some transitions like star wipe and circle stretch and everything like that. But anyway, the idea being that you can quickly make this. Then this is me talking blah 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 over the math. Then I compile it, and that way I can quickly make a video of the lectures. So you can do it either with, I find the math works best with Scientific Workplace. You probably don't have that, but you can use a writing tablet or however you make your slides. Another idea is the room 2305. 2305 has has the lecture capture, and that looks like it's my YouTube channel. That makes these things.
To the 1, 2 point, and
so
then
it records the screen.
Then go along.
Turn that. It records the screen on one side, and it records what you write on the other side. So, and then produces the podium has all the instructions for it, and it makes an MP4 player that you can throw up on the My Courses instead of, or in addition to lecture. Anyway, that's how I'm doing it.